Hi, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our LLC creation organizer. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free, and then you're going to want to go Return Template, go to Organizers, and find your LLC creation organizer. Now, this is just a standard organizer that is created from many states. It does not have any state-specific questions, so you will have to add those on your own. But I think I've got everything covered in this organizer for you. The first thing we're going to go over here is going to be all the business information. So you can have the couple options for their preferred business name, street name, which cannot be the PO box, the city, state, zip code, phone number, the email address they want to use, primary activity of their company, the number of owners, will they have any employees, and how will it be managed. On this second page, it's going to ask for some owner information. This page is going to be turned on so they can duplicate the page as many times as they need to. And that will answer all of the questions needed for the LLC creation. If you have any other questions you would like to ask, you can add them to either one of these pages, or you can create a new section for that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com.